Last time we learned kisimusi, chipo, muhuri, kufara. Today, let's learn new Shona words together.
Hi everyone! Christmas was amazing, and now, welcome to the Gore Idzva!
Gore Idzva? What does that mean, Tari?
Gore Idzva means New Year!
The new year makes me feel hopeful. That feeling is called Tariro. Let me guess. Tariro means hope? Exactly! Tariro means hope. Isutine Tariro Mugore Idzva. In the new year, we set Zvinangwa. Zvinangwa.
Zvinangwa means goals or objectives.
My Zvinangwa is to eat less, or maybe more.
Remember, if it is one goal or objective, is Chinangwa, and if they are many, it's Zvinangwa.
Saka isu se the Shona Squad. Tine chinangwa chekudzidzisa Shona ku Vanhu vese. This means us, the Shona Squad. Our goal is to teach Shona to all people.
And what if it's hard to come up with goals or objectives? Kuedza. Kuedza? Oh, Kuedza means to try. Yes, trying matters.
Isu tine tariro yekuedza zvinangwa zvedu mugore idzva. Meaning we have hope of trying our goals in the new year.
Let's remember today's Shona words. Gore Idzva means New Year. Tariro means hope. Zvinangwa means goals. And Isu means we. Kudzidza means learn. Vanhu means people. And finally, vese means all. And Kuedza means to try.
Remember, in the new year, we don't walk alone. Happy New Year!
But before we go, let's visit Tari's pronunciation and spelling check corner to hear from our guest.
The correct way to pronounce the following Shona words is Gore Idzva, Gore Idzva, Kuedza, Kuedza, Kuedza. Thank you.